Now, your most accurate forecast with WJBF Live Viper 6.
Well, if you are getting ready to head out the door and get your Thursday underway, you could run into a few areas of patchy fog out there. We're going to keep that possibility of fog through about 9 o'clock this morning, 62 degrees by then. Light easterly breeze through the morning, partly cloudy at 11 o'clock, and we'll stay with just a mix of sun and clouds through the afternoon. And that southeast wind going to do a couple of things. One, it's going to warm us up, but it's also going to increase our humidity today. Temperatures warming up to around 83, but with that little uptick in the humidity levels, we're going to see that 83 become a little bit more uncomfortable later on today. Right now, though, not too bad. We've got upper 50s in the Georgia side of the river with 56 there for Thompson. It's all 60s, though, in South Carolina. 61 this morning for Barnwell, also for Aiken this morning. Satellite and radar just showing a few scattered clouds working across our skies. No rain with those clouds. I think we'll manage to stay dry today. 50s and 60s all over the Peach and Palmetto State this morning. Here's a look at what's happening, though, in the middle part of the country. A nasty line of thunderstorms here ongoing after a very rough evening yesterday for Oklahoma and Kansas. They had numerous reports of tornadoes. In fact, let's go ahead and jump on over to Live Viper 6 radar this morning and show you what we've got going on. A closer look at this line. New tornado watch, which does include the city of St. Louis. And when we zoom in, we tilt the radar down. This is a prolific lightning maker here. Lightning stretching all the way from Milwaukee, Chicago through St. Louis, all the way down to Dallas, Texas this morning. So again, lots of lightning here, high winds, even a couple of isolated tornadoes will still be possible. In fact, for our friends just a little bit farther off to the east, they're going to be dealing with this line later on today. Now, thankfully, by the time that line makes it into our area, it's not going to be nearly as severe. Let's go ahead and take a look at the forecast model. It shapes up like this. Southeast winds increasing our moisture with just that partly cloudy sky today. 7 a.m. tomorrow, we are dry, but here comes a cold front. It rolls in, so by 5 to 6 o'clock Friday afternoon, we anticipate a line of showers and thunderstorms rolling into the area. 1 or 2 strong storms will be possible, but again, the better threat for some severe weather should stay well to our north for the daytime on Friday. Then by Saturday, drier air settles in, and then a few more clouds and maybe some isolated showers will enter the picture again as we roll towards looks like Monday and Tuesday. Lake forecast looking good. 81 degrees your air temperature, water temperature of 67, just a light southeast wind about 8 to 13 knots. 80 on Friday, 71 and gorgeous for your Saturday. Sunday looking good as well. We got some increase in cloudiness, maybe a shower or two for Monday and Tuesday as well. Here's the weather question. Cloud formation, the result of what process? Evaporation, condensation, or sublimation? You've had some time to think about it, guys. Time to get your answers. Barkley, let's start with you this morning. What you got?
My gut said C, but I went with A.
You went with A. Okay. What else do you guys got?
I went with B, condensation.
Condensation?
I'm with Mary on this one.
Okay.
B.
And the answer is actually it's when water vapor goes from gas to liquid, and that would be B, condensation.
My gut wasn't helping me either way.
Oh, well, it's okay. Everyone's still very close in the standings, though, right, Chris?
1 point difference. Mary leads. Yeah.
Oh, it's a race to the finish, I guess. Coffee Club